I'm really glad to see all of us of my channel, and I really want to know where are you guys from. Please leave the comments. And today I'm gonna show you how to draw this evening landscape and find only 50 minutes for yourself. Take your brush and let's go!
To start, we need to make a pencil drawing. Please, be easy. Skyline is just above the middle of the sheet of paper, and two triangles are trees. Repeat after me. And actually you can find other lines on the foreground. It can help you to understand drawing plans. And of course, don't forget about the moon. Let it be the little one. Then wet the paper with clean water. The paper should just be wet. Please, don't make a flood. Well, start to draw the sky. Use yellow and Neapolitan pink. Instead pink you can use a little white. I make it with a big brush. I mix cobalt blue and ultramarine to get a darker shade for the sky. And then just let the watercolor flow as it wants. Exhale and wait a little, and watercolor do it all by itself. You can also add more ultramarine off the top of the sheet and wait. Let's find the moon using a little clean brush. The sun has already set and only the tops of the trees in the distance, still burning orange. Find orange and red ochre for making the sunset background. Now we need to create the foreground. Usually I use mixed ultramarine with a little white and dark blue or indigo for making some contrasts. Then let's make the trees. Take a middle brush for that, still using dark blue or indigo. Please see how I make it and try to repeat. Because our paper is still wet, we can get the soft outlines of the trees. How at sunset everything becomes soft, not a single hard line. A little more trees in the shadow, in the background, and see how I make the trees closer. We are almost done our scenery, and then find the moon one more time. Still use clean brush for that. Some details in the foreground. You can make grasses or maybe little bushes or trees using the tip of your brush and indigo color. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys got motivated to create something too in your free time. If you like this video, let me know by leaving a comment or hit the like button See you next time. Bye bye!